morning students. Today we are going to learn about large numbers up to 8 digits. Already we learn in 5th standard. Numbers are used extensively for counting and measuring. The value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Starting from ones, every place is 10 times the place to its right. This means that 10 times 1 makes 110. Similarly, 10 times 10 makes 100 and 100 times 10 makes 1000 and so on. A standard form of a number is when we place commas in the number. Commas help us to read and write large numbers easily. Commas separate the numbers into groups known as periods. Already we know how can we place commas in Indian system and international system. First we can see about Indian number system. In the Indian number system, the periods are ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Moving from right to left, the ones are further split into units, tens and hundreds, and thousands are split into thousands and 10,000s. Lakhs are split into lakhs and 10 lakhs. Similarly, crores are split into crores and 10 crores. All the digits in the same periods are read together. For example, place commas for Indian number system. First, we place a comma for first period, and next 1000 period, next lakhs period, and last crore period. This is a standard form of a number in Indian system. Next, we classify in the periods ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Next, how can we read this number? 1 crore 74 lakhs 65,321. This number system is also used in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Pakistan. Next, we can see about international number system. In the international number system, the periods are ones, thousands, millions and billions. The commas are always placed in groups of 3. Here, ones are further split into ones, tens and hundreds. Thousands are split into 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Millions are split into million, 10 million and 100 million. Next, we can place a commas for international number system. The commas are always placed in groups of 3. That's why we place a comma for first period, second period and third period. Next, the periods are ones period, 1000 period and million period. Now, we can read this number 567 millions 432,124. This system is used in the United States and South Africa. See here, see the difference between both Indian and international number system. Up to 10,000 it's the same. Next, 1 lakhs equal to 100,000, 10 lakhs equal to million, 1 crores equal to 10 million, 10 crores equal to 100 million. Okay students, today what did we learn about the Indian and international number system? How can we place commas and how can we write and read the number also? Following this, do the worksheet.